Now next type, budding. See, this is the figure of budding in front of you. So this budding is a asexual type of reproduction in case of multicellular organism. That is the third type, that is called as budding. This is the figure of Hydra. So in case of Hydra, under favorable conditions, at a specific part of its body, a small outgrowth is formed by repeated divisions of regenerative cells of the body wall. This is a small outgrowth that is called as a bud. You can see. So this is the parent Hydra. Yes. So on the body surface, a small outgrowth grows. See, this is the small outgrowth. So this repeated division of the cell take place and this bud is formed on the body surface. That is called bud. So bud grows up progressively and finally form a small Hydra. Now in the next step we will see on the bud only these tentacles are grow. See, the branches like tentacles are grows. So this Hydra, parent Hydra, this parent Hydra provides nutrients to the bud and the tentacle grows. So dermal layer and digestive cavity of the budding Hydra are in continuity with those of parent Hydra. Parent Hydra supply all nutrients to the bud. Budding Hydra separates, and next time what will happen? This bud is separated and it can grow on other surfaces independently. So in this way, this bud detach from the parent Hydra and starts to lead an independent life when it grows up and becomes able to lead an independent life. This is called as budding. So budding कैसे होता है कि हाइड्रा के पार्ट बॉडी सरफेस के ऊपर एक स्मॉल आउटग्रोथ ग्रो होता है, उसको कहते हैं बड. फिर ये पैरेंट हाइड्रा उसको सब न्यूट्रिटिव फूड मटेरियल प्रोवाइड करता है. फिर उस बर्ड के ऊपर ऐसे टेंटेकल्स ग्रो होते हैं, जैसे इसको टेंटेकल्स है वैसे टेंटेकल्स ग्रो होते हैं. टेंटेकल्स ग्रो होने के बाद उसको न्यूट्रिएंट मिलने के बाद ये बर्ड सेपरेट हो जाता है एंड फिर वो इंडिपेंडेंटली ग्रो होता है. इस प्रकार से उसका रिप्रोडक्शन चलता रहता है. नाउ वी कैन सी दिस बडिंग ऑल्सो थ्रू दिस वीडियो एंड यू कैन क्लियर इट हाउ द बडिंग टेक प्लेस इन केस ऑफ हाइड्रा. सी this video and you understand how the budding will be take place.
Hydra is one of the simplest sedentary multicellular freshwater organism about 1 centimeter long. It has a tubular body with a basal disc for attachment and a free distal or oral end bearing mouth and circlet of tentacles. Hydra reproduces asexually by budding. At the time of asexual reproduction, small buds appear on the body wall.
इस प्रकार का बड़ ग्रो होता है.
As the bud elongates, a mouth opens at its free
उसके ऊपर माउथ ग्रो हो रहा है, देखो.
Followed by the development of
और टेंटेकल्स ग्रो हो
at
रहे
the
हैं.
base
इस
of
प्रकार
the
से
oral
टेंटेकल्स
region.
ग्रो होते हैं.
The newly developed hydra detaches from
इस
the
प्रकार से डिटैच होता है
fixes on a substratum.
और सबस्ट्रेटम के ऊपर चला जाता है और इंडिपेंडेंटली ग्रो होता है.